Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to send photos in your TikTok message. So if you're also looking out how to do so, this video will guide you through the process. So let's get started. So you can start by opening up the TikTok application. For that, tap on it. And once you access your TikTok application, you can go ahead and look out for the inbox option. So tap on the inbox option in the bottom right of your screen. You can find it right before the profile. Tap on it, and that will make you access your profile right here. So here, if you want to go ahead, so you can send a photo. Text you need to do is you need to open up the conversation with the person you want to message by tapping either then looking on this chat right here. So one tab, go ahead and look out for the chat. There you will be finding different options available. So if you want to go ahead and send photos, in the bottom of your screen, you can look out for the photo option and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you just need to go ahead and select an image that you would like to send. So go ahead and give all the necessary permissions for that. And there you'll be finding the pictures. You can just go over and click on one of the pictures that you would like to send and just go ahead and tap on send. And once you go ahead and tap on send, the picture will be sent to that particular person that you are sending to. And there we go. Now the picture will be sent. You can edit the photo if you wish, and then you can send it as well. But this is how you normally do it. This is the process you will use if you want to send the photos on TikTok message, which is pretty quick and easy. So that's it, everybody. If this video was helpful, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.